Hello children, what's up? What's up dear students? Today we're going to continue with our school supplies vocabulary. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you different school supplies and we are going to identify different of them, ¿ok? Chicos, acá vamos a ver lo que son los school supplies, que ustedes saben qué significa útiles escolares, y si estos son los que nosotros utilizamos en el classroom, ¿ya? So, here are vocabulary about that. Vamos a ver este vocabulario sobre los school supplies. Pay attention, please.
English Sing Sing. School supplies. What's in your backpack? It's my book. I can read. Book. Book. It's my notebook. I can write on it. Notebook. Notebook. These are my scissors. I can cut the paper. Scissors. Scissors. It's my glue. I can stick them with it. Glue. Glue. It's my tape. I can put them with it. Tape. Tape.
Children, pay attention here. This is a new word for us.
It's my tape.
Es una nueva palabra para nosotros. Se pronuncia tape. Tape. Tape significa cinta, ¿ya? Aquí está, miren la palabra tape. Tape. ¿Ok?
Tape. Is this your pencil case? Yes, it is. Pencil case. Pencil case. What's in your pencil case? These are my pencils and pens. I like to write. Pencil. Pencil. Pen. Pen. It's my eraser. I can erase and write again. Eraser. Eraser. It's my highlighter. I can mark with it. Highlighter.
Hey, yes, el highlighter. The highlighter, it works when you want to result a word. Cuando queremos resaltar una palabra, utilizamos el highlighter. Yes?
Highlighter. It is my ruler. I like to measure. Ruler. Ruler. These are my color pencils. I can draw a rainbow. Color pencil. Color pencil. There are things for school in my backpack. Review.
Okay, children, here we are going to do a review about the school supplies vocabulary. Okay, pay attention and repeat after me.
Book.
Book. Book.
Notebook.
Notebook. Notebook.
Scissors.
Scissors. Scissors.
Glue.
Glue. Glue.
Tape.
Tape. Tape.
Pencil case.
Pencil case. Pencil case.
Pencil.
Pencil is very usual. pencil,
pen,
pen,
eraser,
eraser,
highlighter,
highlighter, highlighter,
ruler,
ruler,
color pencil.
color pencil. Okay, children, that was, so you have to practice and pronounce this school supplies vocabulary, and please pay attention to the video. Okay, so repeat the video how many times is possible. Okay, so pay attention to the video and repeat to the video. Okay, children, goodbye. Thank you so much.